So Greg, you were involved in No Guff Week since the very first observance. Can you give us a little bit of the history on how it got started?
Sure. I was doing a lot of mediations as an adjustment counselor back in 2000, 2001. A lot of conflict resolution between students. And my partner and I, Joe Mello, were looking to do something positive. We enlisted Doug Reibesehl, who made over 600 t-shirts for us with a No Guff logo and don't go behind the back. And from there, it's just blossomed.
Awesome. So No Guff is a great reminder of how easy it is to sort of pay it forward and spread kindness. Can you tell a little bit about the power of the shirt?
Yeah, it starts a conversation. People go, what's No Guff? And next thing you know, people are talking about it, thinking about it, and maybe holding their tongue a little bit when they think something negative.
Awesome. So this year's theme is What's Your Superpower? This is the shirt for 2018.
Wow.
So I have to ask you, Greg, what's your superpower?
I think it's just my ability to bring people together, to try to unify people. Certainly I'm not a good No Guff person by my actions sometimes, but we definitely have achieved a lot by bringing people together, especially with our sponsors and VIPs, making it such a community-wide event.
Awesome. So thanks to Cape Cod Aggregates and Cavosa Companies
Yes,
and all the
thank
people
you.
who in the community who share the No Guff spirit. Thank you.
Thanks.